Hey everyone, welcome back to Can CAD Channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set the unit to meters in AutoCAD. Whether you're drafting a skyscraper or new house, getting your unit right is crucial. Let's get started. First, why do we need set units to meters? Well, AutoCAD does not assume which measurement system you are using. And if your units are incorrect, it can mess up your scales and dimensions. If you're working on a large-scale project, like building or infrastructure, meters are a common choice. Now, let's set your units to meters in just a few simple steps. Type units, hit enter. This will open the drawing unit dialog box. Step 2. In the links type field, make sure decimal selected. Since meters are decimal based. Step 3. Set the insertion scale to meters. This ensures that everything you insert into your drawing is measured in meters. Step 4. Hit OK. And all finished. Your drawing is now set to meters. Always double check your units before starting a project, especially if you're working with files from others. This helps you avoid scaling problems and can save you valuable time later on. And just like that, you're working in meters, no more confusion. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll make sure to cover them in a future video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.